Hello friends, welcome to your only gardening channel, Print with Green, with one more gardening video. In this episode, we will discuss about one of the largest and most popular group of succulents called Echeveria in general and a strikingly beautiful Echeveria called Echeveria Raindrops in particular. Echeverias are very popular succulent due to their attractive shape and wide variety of color in their leaves. The color in their leaves becomes more vibrant at the onset of cold weather with sufficient bright light in our conditions. Echeveria loves to be under bright light, but in very hot conditions it will struggle as the leaves may start falling and ultimately the plants will get rotted. But if one can maintain the night temperature under 25 degrees centigrade, then Echeveria can do fine in such conditions. So friends, let me talk about Echeveria raindrops. Echeveria raindrops is so named due to their raindrop-like bumps on its leaves. With cool temperature and bright light, the leaves along with its droplet becomes pinkish red, which makes it look extremely magnificent. They need bright but not scorchingly hot light to maintain the color and compact rosette form. In young plants, the droplet may sometimes get lost, but with maturity it will start appearing again. Echeveria raindrops does well in normal succulent soil mix, which should be prepared with adequate amount of coarse sand and perlite. For watering succulent, one must allow drying out of the soil between each watering. This is the general rule for watering a succulent plant. Putting too much water kills succulent more often than not watering them. Propagating an Echeveria plant is very easy as most of them can be propagated from the leaves. But not all Echeveria can be propagated by this process. Echeveria raindrops is one plant which seldom gives babies from the leaves. To propagate Echeveria raindrops, you need to coat the top portion of the plant, which will help to develop more lateral plants. The top portion should be left to form roots, after which you can plant it individually. The laterally developed plants should be removed when it reaches good size. Thereafter, make it form callas and plant it in an individual pot. So friends, this is all about Echeveria raindrops. If you like my video, do like, share and subscribe my channel for more gardening updates.